Hi, I'm Anton Bernardo of MMM Philippines. I would like to thank the people behind the reward and especially to Sir Graham Brody, who's been my inspiration in doing these charity events. And his word of wisdom, encouragement, and the ideology always push me to do my best. Because of Sergey, MMM is here, and of course, MMM Philippines is here also. And I was able to represent MMM during my meetings with local officials and high-ranking officers and some various media in our province, and especially reaching out to poor people where I conduct charity events and help them to improve their lives. Again, together we change the world. Bye.